Okay, so in the context of international investments, when we are discussing bonds, we have already established the relationship between bond yield and bond price. And having done the sensitivity test, we established that the bond yields and bond prices are inversely related to each other, which is the reason why when the yield rises above the coupon, the bond starts trading at discount. And when the yield falls below the coupon, the bond starts trading at premium, right? So now what we are going to do is we are going to get in an additional dimension and check the relationship with respect to coupon. So I have got two bonds here. This is bond one and this is bond two. And उन दोनों के parameters यहाँ दिए हुए हैं. So coupon is 4% for the first bond and 5% for the second. Both have maturity values of $1,000. YTM is 6% for the first bond and 7% for the second. And both have 5 years remaining to maturity. Now, for the bond price, we can straight away use the PV function, or you can also do it with the tabular approach. Either tabular approach I have already taught you, right? So if I take the PV function, the rate is 6%, 5 years to maturity. PMT is 1000 into 4% rather. Maturity value is 1000. And we are assuming that these are payments which are made at the end of every year. So we got the price as $915.75. So that I'm going to put here. And we should take the absolute value just to do the test a little better. And we get $918 for the second one. Did you all get the same answers? So this is the bond price. Now what we will do is we will do a sensitivity test, 3% to 9%. So when the YTM increases, what will be the impact on the bond prices for both bonds, the lower coupon paying bond and the higher coupon paying bond? So अभी क्या करूंगा मैं यहाँ पे I am going to put the 4% as the coupon, which is the input, and the price here, which is 915.75, which is the output. And I will, for the first bond, so this is your, sorry, we'll link it to the YTM rather. YTM is 6% as the input and bond price is 915.75. So this is the YTM and the bond price being the input and output for the first bond, mind you. Right? This is your base. Now I want to do it from 3% to 9%, and I want to see how the relationship is different. So I go to data, what if analysis data table, and in the column input, I go and link it to my YTM and I will get all my prices. Right? Everyone? So this is for bond 1. Correct? Just a simple data. Then we will do the same thing for bond 2. You can have a look at this one also. So bond 2 may, again, my YTM is from here. and this is my price. Now, what did you observe? In both cases, the YTM was greater than the coupon, and therefore both the bonds are trading at a discount. Now we will again do the sensitivity test. Since all my inputs are in a column, I just go and link it to the independent input, and I will get all my prices. Now, let's look at the percentage changes. So, अगर मैं देखता हूं कि मेरा percentage change क्या है when my bond price falls, the percentage change is next minus previous by previous. Which is 4.38% for the first one. Similarly, you can do it for all the increases. These are, what are these? These are the percentage changes. These are the drop in the prices caused by an increase in the yields. Drop in prices compared to the increase in the yields. We can do the same thing for bond 2 also. I just need to copy this formula and put it here. And I get, देखो यहाँ पे, these are the percentage changes for bond 2. Now, what do you observe in bond 1 and bond 2? Which one has a lower coupon, bond 1 or bond 2? Bond 1 has a coupon of 4%. Bond 2 has a coupon of 5%. So this is obviously a lower coupon bond. And this one has a higher coupon. Right, everyone? So lower coupon bond में ज्यादा sensitivity दिख रही है आपको या higher coupon bond में ज्यादा sensitivity दिख रही है? So that's what, when the coupons are low, you will see a higher sensitivity of prices to change in yields as compared to bonds which have a higher coupon. So bonds which have a higher coupon will have a lower sensitivity of prices to yields as compared to bonds with lower coupons. इसीलिए बोलते हैं कि लोअर कूपन बॉन्ड्स में प्राइस यील्ड रिलेशनशिप ज्यादा सीवियर होता है कंपेयर टू हायर कूपन. दिस इज द रीजन. आर यू गेटिंग माय पॉइंट? So that was the sensitivity with respect to coupons.